like your Lolo Bong, Lola Cass, titos and titas on daddy's side. Of course, your family on mommy's side, Tuma, Lolo Boy, titos and titas. Make us your source of strength, and you will be our source of inspiration. I want to wish you all the best in all your endeavors and only happiness ahead. Happy birthday to you, our one and only Princess Ella. We love you so much. May God bless you and keep you safe always, especially when you are not with us. I claim to God that no sickness could stop you from fulfilling your dreams. We love you so much, anak. May God bless you.
Okay, thank you, Mami. And of course, ang message po ni Daddy. First, Daddy.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Hello. So before anything else, I want to greet you a happy birthday, my dearest daughter. I just remember that the movie Ella Enchanted, when they tell me that the theme of Istanbul is Ella Enchanted. Those people who watch that movie, it is a nice movie. This is regarding a baby who was born. Then one godmother gave him some gift, a gift of obedience. But that gift of obedience to Ella, parang nasobrahan ang pagbigay nila ng gift na yun kasi lahat na lang is ino-obey ni Ella. But I know, my daughter, kahit na meron siyang gift of obedience, pero alam ko naman, i-obey niya kung ano ang sasabihin ng kanyang mga magulang. I'm sorry also, kasi when you're just 6 years old, that time that umalis ako, nagpunta ako sa abroad, so hindi ko talaga nakita ang paglaki mo, but I'm happy with the guidance of your mommy na naging mabuti kang anak. Siguro, masakit din sa akin na malayo sa'yo. Unang-una, hindi ko rin nakita. Hindi kita nakasama nung nag-graduate ka nung elementary, nag-graduate ka nung grade school. But I was there nung nag-graduate ka ng high school and I was very proud. Sana, hindi ko nababasahin itong ginawa ko. I made a speech, but siguro na nandito ako sa harap na hindi ko na kailangan to. Kung ano ang nasa puso ko, yun ang sasabihin ko sa aking anak. Alam mo, Ella, na mahal kita. Kahit na minsan napakahirap na malayo sa inyo. Lalong-lalo pa na ikaw ang panganay ko. Alam ko na ikaw ang tumutulong sa iyong mga kapatid, lalong-lalo na sa iyong mami. Kasi alam ko kung gaano ka kalakas, kung minsan mahina sila na ikaw nagpapalakas sa kanila. Sana kung ano man yung mga gusto mo sa buhay mo, is ituloy mo lang yun. Truly, I will support you. Lalong-lalo na kami dalawa ng mami mo at mga kapatid mo. Sana rin I wish na makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Kasi ito lang ang may bibigay namin sa iyo na makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Unang-una, alam mo naman, is wala naman tayong ari-arian, wala naman tayong mga material na But the gift that na bibigay namin sa iyo is the gift of love. At yun na nga na makatapos ka sa pag-aaral. Sana rin ganun din na mahalin mo ang iyong mga kapatid, na ipagpatuloy mo ang pagmamahal mo sa kanila. So siguro mahirap din na magsalita dito sa harap. So now I want to wish you a happy birthday. Dati, you're just my baby. Now, you are ate and you're a lady na. So, happy birthday. I love you.
Okay, thank you, Daddy. meantime, we'll be giving the time to our debutant to say her messages to all of us present here in this 18th birthday celebration. Let us give a round of applause to Maria Daniela Ocampo David.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this special occasion, my 18th birthday. Despite of your busy lives, you took time to celebrate this occasion with us. Most especially, I would like to thank my parents for their unending love and support for our family. And I would like to thank the Almighty Father for giving me another year to enjoy life and to fulfill my dreams. I hope you had a great night and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
So maraming salamat po. So that ends our program for tonight. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumalo. Kahit umuulan, nandito po lang tayo. Thank you very much and God bless us always.
So, to our daughter, Maria Daniela Ocampo David, it's now that you're 18, nagpapasalamat kami. Lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, lalong-lalo na obedient ka sa amin yung mga magulang. So, wish namin sa'yo, sana ipagpatuloy mo yung ugali, lalo na sa iyong mga kapatid, at sa amin na yung mga magulang. So, wish din namin na sana makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral.
17 years ago, we wished you to become more closer to God, God-fearing, and an obedient child. Now, it is very much evident, anak. You have shown us how obedient you are, how big is your heart, that you've grown so much in the goodness of the Lord. I would like to thank you for making us so proud parents, for being good in your studies and being kind to other person, especially for taking care of your two brothers, the what you call besties forever. I would like to wish you, anak, a very happy birthday, that on this moment we'll have a big celebration for you to cherish. You know, anak, you are our precious gem that we're going to treasure for the rest of our lives. We love you so much, and may God bless you and keep you safe always. And I wish you good health always. We love you so much, anak.
So, we as your proud parents, dati-dati, baby ka lang namin. Ngayon, you're really a grown lady. So, your daddy and mommy are very proud to have a daughter like you. So, we wish you a happy 18th birthday and we love you so much.
Your